new package in the mail. I already opened it. It's something for the bike. Real quick, the K4, K5 Jixers, they're known for this to go bad. This is like the secondary forgot what it was, how to call it, but yeah, SVT or something like that, but yeah. So mine went bad. Had the F1, F5, whatever, the red light up there. So I checked it, I tried to fix it myself, which it did get fixed, but only for a little while, and the code came back on. I think it's like C29. So I found somebody on eBay that would take yours and then they'll fix it and then mail it back. So mine just came back in. So the bike was running and everything, but it just wasn't full power at all. It felt much slower and everything. So, and I'm taking a bike somewhere soon, so I want to make sure it was 100% ready to go. So it just got in today, so I'm gonna install it back and see if the code is still there, if it's actually fixed, and don't think I'm going anywhere because the garage is a mess. So just to see if the engine check engine stuff comes off of it. So right here's where it goes. It's not hard to take off at all. You just gotta unplug a few things, and it's just the 2 screws that holds it in place. I just removed the intake so I can check what position the butterfly is in before I put the sensor back on. But yeah, it's just as easy as just putting this in here and then bolting up the 2 screws. So I'll do that real quick. Ooh, almost lost that. It's in there nice. You gotta screw it back. Don't have to tighten it super tight. It just has to be a little snug, and that's it. Let's wire all these back up. That goes there. Nope. That's for the air box. This is weird. This one-handed stuff kind of sucks. Alright, so everything is plugged. So now I gotta just put the airbox back on, and there's like a couple screws right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. All you do is tighten that so it can hold on to the throttle. Alright, so everything is on as tight as it should be. Everything is plugged right now. So it's basically just time to crank it up. See what happens. Put the tank down first though. Like in this little corner, can't even do anything. Clean up. Alright, let's see. Here it goes, nothing. Sounds like it works okay. One more time. So that worked. I have no more light up there, and it seemed to rev pretty nice from what I just did. Next thing is to take it out on the road, but last time I did try to fix it myself. It did work for about 2 days, then it came back on, but I didn't do it this time, and the person I sent it to, they got lifetime warranty on it. So if anything was to break, or if it gets the code back with the same code, all I gotta do is ship it out and it'll get fixed for free from what I understand. So it's like a win-win. And if I was to buy the part by itself, I'm pretty sure it costs about $200-300. I paid like $70 to get it fixed. So if you have the same issue and you want a way to get in contact or how to get that done, just like pin me up or something, and I'll be able to link you up. So yeah, I think it's worth it. Send it out, probably like less than a week, got it back. Yeah, now it's good to go. Cool. But that's all for today. I'll see y'all in the next one.